go!
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Well, this is going to be my last video in this series. Unfortunately, I am not going to be able to complete the rest of my trip because I was having so many bike issues that I decided to call it quits. So I'm going to land in Naples in this video, and from there I'm going to catch a train up to Frankfurt and get my bike fixed there because nobody else could fix it for some reason. They didn't have the parts. But one shop in Germany did, and it's quite a few shops in Germany that did have them. So I took a train up there, got my bike fixed, and I was going to come back, but I was so frustrated that I decided to book a flight home and come back at a later date and finish this ride. But anyway, this here is my last video in this series, and I'll see you guys on the next one. More than 3 hours on the bike today. Fingers crossed. I don't have the gears. There is a little bit of climbing, not that much, thankfully. Or we'll see. See if it's lying. Oh, that made it easier. Don't have to carry it down the stairs. So, oh, there's the sun. Oh, that's steep. Sun comes out, it's still raining. Well, I almost bit it, but I recover. So I'm just going to walk my bike with this thing for just a little bit. Steeper than it looks. But then again, I can't get to the lower gear for some reason that I had yesterday. But keep on trying. Cobblestones aren't good either. But they're pretty when you're wet. Oh, yeah. Oh, this sucks. That's steep as hell. That's going to be tough pushing the bike up. Ooh. Oh. Go this way. Yeah. Oh, that's going to be a tough one. Oh. Crap. Out those stairs. That's an interesting way to take me. Oh. Okay. Oh, it sucks. Oh, one. Brakes. Are you f***ing kidding me? Oh, come on.
That hurt. Now I gotta go back down. Oh. Oh. Yeah, let's not try to do the thing. Hey. Sucked. Oh. Just a little cold. Oh. Feels like I've been walking for miles. It's steep. Ooh. Not as steep as that, but steep. Still walking my bike. So I'll tell you, give you an example. I mean, you probably can't see it that well, but maybe if we so this road is kick just walking, pushing this bike uphill. And I've been pushing uphill for over a mile. And you know, probably been pushing longer than that. Oh yeah, definitely longer than that. So this is what I'm down to. Cable got came through the plastic, had to force it back in. So this is what I'm left to, riding like this. So in order to change the gears, I got 5 of them. In order to change them, I gotta stop the bike and change the gear, pick the right one for the road. I'm like, we're going downhill. And I can't even pedal because I don't have a high enough gear to maintain it. So all I'm doing is just so I'm just gonna coast. Push back. be aggressive with these circles here. Otherwise, you never get in. Or should I say roundabouts. Sorry for these folks. Just, traffic non-stop with these. I don't think they can get a break. Talk about rush hour traffic in LA. Try this. Anywhere here. My feet are completely soaked. It was so cold. My hands warmed up a little bit. Oh, but it came down, it was so cold. Oh! It's fine. Turned out to be a miserable day. Part of this old trip. Things just needed to go with it. Oh, it's already starting to do it again. Let's gotta do this. Get this back done. Ooh, gosh, the piss and these columns are kicking my butt. Oh, God. There's a central train station, so that's good and close. And that's where I need to go because no bike shops have what I need here to fix my bike. So I have a reservation for this evening.
That's it. I'm all done. Now it's time to pack it on up, head to Germany, get my bike fixed, and get ready for the next adventure. But before I go, here's a look at the map of my final ride.